Hey everybody, BigRigSteve here with BigRigTravels.com. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you know that we have quite a few allergies. Every kind of tree, every kind of grass, mold, dust, animal dander, the whole 9 yards. We're allergic to everything. And then when you add the trees and the flowers and the grass, we have a real rough time. But let me show you this air cleaner, air purifier from Welov. Now, they did mail this to us to give a fair, honest review in exchange for keeping their product. But I love air cleaners. We mentioned how many allergies we have, and this is a big model. And you can tell how big it is, tall it is. But I tell you what, this will airflow is 206 cubic feet a minute, which means it will change the air in a 1,077 square foot area twice in 30 minutes. That is pretty good. Now you can tell this got a green light right here, and now you can tell it's got a night light. Nice and quiet. Right now we have it on automatic. What that means is this will automatically measure the air quality of the air that's being pulled in through the filter. If you go to weather apps and pollen apps, there's always a 2.5 measurement of pollution, dust, allergens, whatever is in the air. This will also read it for you. For example, right now it is saying 5 PM2.5. Now that's really low, hence the green light. The fan is nice and slow because the air in here is already clean. But let's just say you first turn it on after having your windows open all day long, you know, working in the yard. It's nighttime, you want to close the windows, you want to clean the air. Set this on automatic, and if the number is above 50, this will turn yellow or orange, and it will turn up the fan automatically to medium. Now, if you are above 100, which is pretty dirty air, this will be red, and the fan will automatically go up into high speed mode. Change that air a lot quicker for you. That's in the automatic mode. As the air gets cleaner, goes through the filter and comes out through the top. As the air gets cleaner, the number will go down, hence going from red to orange down to green, and there goes the cats having a fight. This is also good for cat hair, dog hair, cat dander, all that stuff. And if they go outside playing around in the grass and the dirt, then they come in here and make the air dirty. This will take care of it. I like this, but for right now, let's go ahead and turn it off. I want to show you how easy this is. Down here at the bottom, you have the arrow. Simply turn it till it clicks, take the top off, and here's your filter. 3 filter stages. You have your pre-filter, then you have your HEPA medical grade filter, and then you have a charcoal filter for odors and cooking smells and whatever else. You put it in, make sure it's nice and seated properly. There are little lines that you line it up with. Make sure you lock it and snap it. And there you go. I was reading the reviews or questions, and people were saying it doesn't start, it doesn't turn on. And that's a safety feature. If your filter is not properly seated and locked into place, this won't turn on. So if you have a problem with yours not turning on, first thing you ought to look at is making sure the filter is properly installed, snug, snap shut. So as you turn it on, it's measuring. See the 5, 4, 3. All right, so right now we got 22, 18, 19, which is still in the green range. Now let me show you some controls. All right, so now you're looking at the top here. This obviously is your power button. When you hit the power button, all the power obviously goes off. So let's turn the power button on. Here's the A for automatic, and it's going to count down. If you have it in automatic mode, it's going to count down. It's going to get a measurement of your air. We're still good below 50. If you tap it again and the automatic light goes off, you can manually control this. Like right now, you are in low speed. Move it on up. There's medium speed. And there's high speed. And this thing will move some air. That's if you want to manually take care of how bad you want it, or how fast you want to clean the air. Right here you got a timer. There's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can make it shut off automatically after any amount of hours, up to 12. So if you wanted to run and, say 3 hours, okay, set your timer for 3 hours and it will automatically shut off. When you need a filter change, this will automatically tell you, this will light up for you to tell you that you need to change the filter. Now here's the night light, which I believe we showed you at the beginning. There's the night light. Now this is night mode. It will shut all the lights off. It'll shut your indicator lights off. It'll shut your night light off, everything off. But you can still hear, it's still going to operate. That way, if you're one of these folks that can't sleep if you even have a night light, this will be what you want. So there's the night. Tap it again, it goes off and you're back to normal. Here you have child lock, or in this case, pet lock, because the pet's like jumping on here, because it's a high spot. Cat's always like a high spot. But child and all this other stuff, you hit the child lock, or pet lock in this case, and all the controls will lock up. So no matter what you do, nobody's going to be able to mess with it. So once again, we'll show you the night light. If the night light is something you want, there you go. Links are down in the description. I like this. Like I said, I have used and tried a lot of air cleaners because of our allergies, especially driving. I have a smaller version inside the truck, because inside the truck you're open the door and all the pollen goes right in. In the house, this would be a little bit better. Like I said, man, more than 1,000 square foot room, and they'll clean it about every 30 minutes. And the thing is, if you have a smaller room, say like a bedroom, just think 500 square feet, 400 square feet, whatever, it'll clean it even more. Automatic, I love this automatic. You just turn it on automatic and at a glance, you can tell how clean your air is. I like this product. I've been using it for a little bit more than a month now. It does great. Powerful airflow, nice and quiet. If you got allergies, pollen, smoke, cooking smells, whatever, pets, this is something you need. Anyways, BigRigSteve out. Check it out. The links in the description box. We love